Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and having fun in your life. Today we'll learn some MS Excel formulas. We have raw data here and here. Let's play with it a little. First, let's add today's date. Merge these two cells. Equal to today parentheses and enter. This is today's date. So we have data here. Let's add a very basic formula to sum equal to sum, select the series and parentheses, enter. The answer is 52. This is to add the series of cells. Now if we want to add only two cells, equal to sum, select the cell, comma, select the next cell you want to add, parentheses and enter. This is to add only two cells. Now if we want to add, let's suppose we have to add a series of cells and then we have to divide it with any number. So let's see how we do that. Equal to sum, so series, parentheses, divided by. Now we can divide it with any number like 2 or 5 or whatever. 5, enter. The answer is 10.4. 52 actually is divided by 5. So the answer is 10.4. Let's see how we subtract. To subtract, press equal to, select the cell, minus the next cell, press enter. So to subtract, we only used numbers. Equal to first cell minus the second cell. To multiply, we have the formula equal to, select the first cell, static mean multiplication sign, into the second cell, press enter. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. For divide, equal to, select the first cell, divided by second cell, press enter. 10, this cell divided by this cell, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So these are very basic formulas. Let's add some fancy formulas. If we want to find out the maximum number and the minimum number, the greatest number and the smallest number, we have formulas equal to max. Now select the series, parentheses and enter. We have the greatest number of 10. 10 is the greatest number in this series. If we find out the minimum number, the smallest number, we have the formula min, select the series, parentheses, press enter. We have 5. 5 is the smallest number in this series. So Next, if we want to use the if statement, what is if statement? We want to compare one number with another. So if we find if let's suppose we add a check here that if the numbers are greater than 5 or less than 5, we want to check. If the numbers are greater than, let's suppose if we want to check if the numbers are greater than 6, then write yes here, otherwise write no. So we have formula equal to the if statement. Now let's select this cell, greater than 6. If the number is greater than 6, then write yes, and if the number is less than 6, then write no. Comma yes, colon, comma, otherwise write no. Close this formula, and so this number is 10. 10 is greater than 6. So we'll select this formula and drag down to the last number. We'll leave. Now we have 5 numbers which are greater than 6, and 2 numbers 5 and 6 which are equal to or less than 6. We are actually wrote the formula here that any cell we write B5 is greater than 6, then write yes, otherwise write no. So this is the answer. We have 2 numbers which are less than or equal to 6, and we have 5 numbers which are greater than 6. So let's move forward. We have another data here. So if you see closely, we have spaces before the starting of word somewhere with some words, in apple, in grapes, in banana, in cherry. So we have spaces before the word. We want to remove these spaces, and so that all the words begin with right from the beginning. We do not want any space before any word. So the formula is trim, select the cell and parentheses, enter. Drag it down to the last. So we have this data here. All the spaces before the grapes, banana and the cherry has been removed, and the data is in proper form. Let's see another formula. Okay, we can actually concatenate these 2 words. We can write them together. How we will do that is equal to concatenate. Now we want to add to concatenate this cell and this cell. Okay, first we'll select this cell, and then separated by comma we'll select this cell, parentheses, and enter. So now we have two mango word written here. Drag it down to the last. We have all the words written together: apple, apple, grapes, grapes, banana, banana, oranges, oranges. This is concatenation of 2 words. The next is proper word. Proper word meaning we want to start every word with the capital letter. We have cherry here, which is beginning with small c, almond here, which is beginning with small a. We want to write it with proper form, like the first letter should be in capital form. So how we will do that? We have a formula equal to proper and select this cell, enter, mango, drag it down to here, and you can see that now in this cell, sorry, you can see that the almond is written in with the capital A and the cherry is written with the capital C. Okay, so this is to write any word in proper format with the first letter starting with the capital letter. So this is all for today. I hope you have subscribed my channel, and please press the bell icon so that my latest videos may come up to you. Thank you so very much.